Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to apply false eyelashes and also the do's and don'ts when it comes to false eyelashes. So if you're interested in what I've got to say, then just continue to watch. Ooh, so dangerous, I get this rush. So hi everybody, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Juliet, I am mum of 2 boys and I do 3 videos a week on all sorts. I do lots of hauls and fashion and beauty and lifestyle videos. So if that's the kind of thing you're interested in, there's a little subscribe button down here in red somewhere. If you wanted to click that, it's completely free and it really would mean the world to me. But without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so false eyelashes are something that I wear every day. I haven't got them on right now because I'm going to show you how to apply them, but the reason being is I love lash extensions, individual lash extensions, but for me I just don't get the time at the moment to go and get them, and I can't really afford to get them done at the moment either. They're probably around £50 a time by me, which, you know, if I was working I would justify it because I think they look beautiful. However, I just can't afford it at the moment because I'm still a stay-at-home mom. I'm going to show you how to use false eyelashes. Now, false eyelashes, a lot of people think they're really tricky and shy away from them and think they look really tacky or they don't look that nice, and I tend to agree if you don't do them right. So I'm not going to talk about types of eyelashes today because I am going to do a separate video on reviewing different types of eyelashes and showing you what they look like, but for this video I'm going to use my favourite eyelashes, which are the Eyelash Accents. They are the number 3 and I will link them below. They're normally, you can get them off Amazon for about £3-4, so relatively cheap because you can get a lot of uses out of them. The reason I use these lashes is because they're only 3/4 lashes, which gets to my first do and don't. So when you get your eyelashes, they will be a certain length and you want to make sure that it is the same length as your eyelid. So with accents, like I say, these work better for me because they're only 3/4 and I have smaller eyes. Now if you do get some eyelashes, you just measure them up against your eye, and if they're a little too long you want to snip off from the outer edge, not the inner edge, because then you'll change the style of the eyelash. You want to go from the outside, so the longest edge. Sometimes they have like a little bit on the inner edge, like a little bit of overhang. You can trim that off as well, but not the actual lashes. You want to trim from the outer edge. Second thing is really consider the style of eyelashes you have. So I've got quite like slanty eyes, so I like to wear eyelashes that accentuate the ends, so it really opens up my eyes. But you can get whatever eyelashes you want, but I mean some people like thicker eyelashes. I think with eyelashes you want something quite wispy, quite delicate if you're going to wear them in a daytime, but that is my personal opinion. So let's start with the applying of the eyelashes. So first of all, you want to prep your eyelashes. So the best thing to do is give your eyelashes a curl with a eyelash curler, and then you want to pop on your normal mascara. You don't need lots, you just want to put like a nice coat on. So you want to get your eyelashes and you want to get your glue, and then what you want to do is put your eyelash glue along the lash line, and then you also, I like to add a little extra on the 2 edges just to stop them from lifting up at the corners. What you want to do then is wait for about 30 seconds. You want your glue to be nice and tacky. You don't want to try and put it on when it's too wet because it will just slide all over the place and you'll just get glue everywhere. Now, you can buy different tools to put your eyelashes on, like those clipper tweezery things. I find that using my fingers is the best way to put them on. Couple of tips. You want to put your eyelash facing up and not out, because then it just won't look right. You won't see the eyelashes as much. You want to keep your eyes open as possible so you can see how they look, and then also you want to get it as close to the lash line as possible but still on your skin and not on your lashes. So again, facing up, you want to measure where you want it, and then you want to put it on to your lid, so it's on your lid and not on your lashes. And then I always put the centre on first and then guide the ends. And can you see how my lashes are upwards? And then can you also see there's almost no gap between my lashes and the eyelashes. So if there's a gap, you will see the skin there. So I just then tap it down, and then what you can do if you want is just put some more mascara on to blend, and that is that. So that is one with, and that is one without. And you can see instantly how quick and easy that was. Pop the glue on, put extra on the ends, wait for 30 seconds. Eyelash facing up, keep your eyes as open as possible, and then as close to the lash line as you can. Put the middle in first, and then lift the ends to place. Now, like I say, you can get tweezers, you can use different tools to do this. I honestly think that using your fingers is the best thing to use because it just gives you a little more control. You want to push down the corners, make sure the ends are very stuck down. If you like, some more mascara over the top just to blend them two together. And that is it, that is done. And that is my eyelashes on. And honestly, the more and more you practice, the quicker you will get and the easier it becomes. I love to use these because, like I say, I love lash extensions. So these are just a great alternative so that I don't, you know, I can just take them off at the end of the day. So that is how I apply my false eyelashes and the do's and don'ts when it comes to it. I really hope you like this video because it's been requested a few times, so thank you ever so much for watching. Let me know if you've got any tips that you use. What is your favourite eyelashes to use? I am looking to do another video and try different eyelashes out, so let me know which ones you use. I will also see if I can go and try them out. And thank you ever so much for watching. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I would love for you to subscribe and stick around. And until next time guys, take care. Bye.